In this video, I will show you exactly how to request a comprehensive data backup copy of your workspaces within Typeform. Managing your digital information is crucial for any business or project, and Typeform makes the process of exporting your precious data quite straightforward through their admin interface. To get started with this process, you first need to navigate to the top left corner of your main dashboard. Once you are there, simply click on your profile icon or your account name to open up the primary account menu. From the list of options that appears, you should look for the one labeled Admin Settings and click on it to proceed. This will take you into the backend administrative area where you manage your global account preferences. Once the admin page has fully loaded, you will need to gently scroll down through the various sections until you find the specific area dedicated to data portability. This section is designed to help you maintain control over your information. Within the Data Portability section, you will see a prominent button that is labeled Request Zip. Go ahead and click that button to initiate the backup process. Typeform will then begin preparing a compressed file containing your workspace data, which will be sent to your registered email address. Taking these steps ensures that you always have a local copy of your important forms and responses for your records. It is a simple but essential habit for better data management and overall security.